like a waterfall in slow motion. Like a map with no ocean.
5 a.m. up in the air and it's starting to snow. These tears slipping through my shades and it's starting to show. Can't even sleep, I'm wide awake, couple hours to go. I guess I'm stuck rewinding what happened to us, but I don't know. Got an email from my mother, but I didn't read it. The subject was City of Love, so I had to delete it. I went in circles, played the game, each time was defeated. You got a heartbeat, send it over, I think I'ma need it. Cause mine was ripped out, didn't even flip out. Chartered a jet home and got a text saying missed out. But really, I'm the only one that didn't miss out. The situation at hand, I made a heartbreak picked out. Say I'm living a dream, it's more like a nightmare. Still put on a smile for the camera, but man, it's quite clear. Something that I had just a week ago, yeah, was right there. Pouring out all my feelings in hopes that one of y'all might care.
Like a waterfall in slow motion. Like a map with no ocean.
My face pressed against the window pane, fogging up the glass in the window so I could trace your name. Watching cars on the ground, switching out of lane, staring over the city, feeling different cause something changed. Damn, took off without an effort to, and even though I left, I felt there was something that I could do. Could've done, too late now. Every single girl I take home just seems fake.